francs here. So guys, I'm trying to make burritos. So I got my tortilla right here, and I spread some cheese spread, also put some cheese. So it's just a little burrito with cheese and franks, and that's it. So let's see how this goes. Plus I got something else. I'm gonna put the sauce. I'm gonna put my sauce. It's classical 4 cheese. And my macaroni. It's not spaghetti, it's macaroni. So yeah. Hey guys, so this is my dinner. So I got my macaroni, some sausage, and I got my burrito with some juice.
No, I know my no. I know my skin I water with them baptized me. I know me sure see a frog in there. No.
Nice.
Shims.
Hey guys.
Two by-election losses in a row, 2 seats lost. Does this reflect on the leadership in terms of...
Hi. Hi guys. What's up? What's poppin'? I'm tired.
Aren't we all
Hungry?
Yes, Lisa, what's wrong with you?
go take my measurement?
Yes.
May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! 2, 3. Blow, baby, blow. Blow Teddy, blow. Blow Teddy, blow. Blow. Everybody blow. I'll try you blow. Blow. Yeah. Alright, clap them. Yay! 2, straight. Cut, baby. Cut. Yeah. Clap them.
Hi.
No, I don't know.
Hi.
Chuck.
Hello. Hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Miss say hi to the vlog.
Hi, how are you doing?
We can't do
Hi guys, it is Saturday and we are heading to Pantomime. Hi. What's up? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Okay.
Hey guys, so we're at a school now. We are about to load the bus to go to the Pantomime. So yeah, this is in Kingston, so yeah, you guys will see that. What? Yes. Bye. Delish. Much Hey guys, so I'm at the little theater. I have to take one talk because I don't think I'm supposed to be filming in here, but I'm at the bathroom. We're gonna see a play and I'm hoping that it will be fun. So let's go. And I've let this here,
Kind of dark.
exactly. Guys, so we just broke. So we have 15 minutes break. The show is. So if y'all are here for Pantomime, y'all check this out. All aboard. Bomb. So yeah. That show's about to start again. Hey guys, so the show is done. Oh my god, I don't want to go back. I don't want to go home. Can we have another round of this?
No, another time, another place, another year.
Shout out to Little Theater. We enjoyed
Shout out to
it.
the writer.
All aboard.
All aboard.
All aboard. Shan, until me.
Video.
Hi guys. So we have finished getting something to eat, and
I got What
I
did
got myself some iron grills. So I got some fries, some jerk burger.
Mama.
Oh, we got cheese
Abby.
bread.
I'm frightened.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. So guys, I just got back from church and we be cooking. Hey Shan.
Hi.
She is chopping up some veg right now. Yeah, looks
I'll
nice.
send you the finishing touch, but you know I get none.
Shimmy. Anyways, let's go say hi to Mama in the kitchen. Hey Mama.
Hi.
What's up?
Nothing, you know. I'm just trying to get some food here, but I need some help.
I'm helping.
Who would just help?
But I am helping. I am gonna help because I'm gonna do the shaking. That's what I said. Clam for come. Salam for come. Anyways, guys, if you guys have not yet checked out my TikTok, please go and do that right now. I'll put the name right here. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. I'll worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, I'll worship His holy name.
He deserves all worship. Because of who he is. Because of what he has done. He's doing it. So we can praise him. For we serve a great, big, wonderful God. You are awesome in this place, God.
Another one.
Got him.
I feel like Usain in the cheetah print.